Aalis na ako ng Taiwan at nag-resign na ako from the TFETP. That's a T, no cap. This is my final week at Fusheng Elementary School.
Summer has hit us so hard this year. I swear, ito yung pinakamainit ko summer sa Taiwan. But then having kids around, it makes mornings more delightful. Napaka-grateful nila, walang hesitations, and surely they makers na sila. Dito sa Taiwan, may mga klase talaga kaming nasa non-conventional settings. And today, we're talking about earthquake preparedness. Bale, parang fair style siya, merong mga stations, and I took care of the vocabulary practice. In the end, they earn prizes if they finish all 3 rounds. This classroom teaching session is the last one in my schedule.
So first, you're going to choose a number and answer the question.
We're playing Exploding Kittens, and you can check this free resource kung saan ako kumukuha ng PPT games. Super helpful niyan, and kung may iba pa kayong alam na sources, help other teachers out by sharing your resources dyan sa comments. Essentially dito, sasagutin lang nila yung tanong, and pagkatama sila, they can keep opening cards. However, if they open a bomb, they lose all points for that specific round. Kaya ang ultimate lesson is, don't be greedy.
Open 还是 stop？ 如果 open 可能是 choose a number. Say right.
It's a giraffe. Everybody say giraffe.
Sa Taiwan ko natuklasan na meron pala akong puso para magturo sa mga batang katulad nila. Kakaiba talaga ang experience sa elementarya. The kids are so pure, they're so kind-hearted. Minsan, yung snack nila na last piece na ibibigay pa nila sa'yo, all that because they adore you, and it's difficult not to love them.
We feel lucky to be your students. Thank you for teaching us many words, stories, and Philippines culture.
You are like this beautiful flower, always beat out of record.
Honestly, I haven't been here in Fusheng for so long, but I really enjoyed my time here, and it's not really because of all those different sorts of things, but it's because of the students. So every day I get motivated to teach and to try to challenge myself every time because I know that you guys are interested in me.
Say hi! Say hi! I received small farewell tributes from many of my classes, and hearing their messages warmed my heart. I'm so grateful that they value my effort. My English teacher partners prepared the send-off get-together for me. Ang totoo niya, nung una, takot ako sa kanila, pero ang swerte ko kasi hindi lang sila lahat magagaling, kundi mababait pa.
It's been a great pleasure to work with you. Thank you for sharing your culture, country, and teaching skills with us. We have learned a great deal. We appreciate that our students had fun in their classes and that we gave them the most valuable learning experiences and beautiful memories. They love you too. There's no doubt that they will miss you, and so will we. When I decided to move to a big city like Tainan, I was scared because I've been hearing different stories here and there, and as I know, Tainan is an old city and it's an established city, and coming to a big school like this really scared me because I wasn't sure if I'll be working with teachers who are very strict or maybe they just didn't care at all. But I'm very happy that I was able to experience
students and how you kept all the students in good order. And it was amazing. I've learned not just in here. You allowed me to practice, you allowed me to go out of my box and really learn more about the skills that I can hone and nurture and things that I can continuously bring with me as in case I will still be teaching. I know it's also not easy for you guys to implement the program, but thank you very much for making everything easy for me. My life in fishing is very beautiful. I'm not just saying this, but it's really difficult for me to leave because it's really one for the books. So it will all go down to memory and I will always remember my teaching. Thank you very much.
So yun, nagsalo-salo kami and this tiramisu was absolutely delicious. It was the bomb. Representing protection and good fortune, sabi nila that the sword lion is an important symbol. Sana daw na kahit saan ako magpunta, dala-dala ko ang kainan at ang pabaon nilang swerte at pagmamahal.
I'm sitting in the middle of the school that reminded me of my passion for teaching. 30 years old na ako nung pumunta ako dito sa Taiwan at naging napaka-komportable ko na sa trabaho. At the time, parang nawawala na ng challenge yung mga ginagawa ko and feeling ko everything was just the same every day. Although syempre sa school, lagi nang may bago at bago. Pero still, I was looking for something else and I was able to find that here in Taiwan, most especially here in Fusheng Elementary School. Here, the students have welcomed me so dearly that I know I will never forget my teaching experience here in Fusheng. And sad to say that I'm going to end my journey here. I won't say the reason yet, but it was a dilemma for me. I was in the middle of two good choices. I wouldn't say staying in Taiwan is less of a choice, but in terms of my future, mas pinili ko yung isang choice ko na yun. Sana talaga napakita ko yung totoong galing natin as Filipinos. Because I want to open more doors for you guys. I know hindi naman malaki yung narating ko dito at hindi malayo yung mga accomplishments ko dito. Pero at least for this school, sana mas maging magiliw sila sa pag-accept ng Filipino worker because we are not just hard workers. Talagang we will do everything with passion and with the heart. Kung meron man gusto pumunta ng Taiwan, ang sasabihin ko sa inyo, napakaganda na experience ko, lalo-lalo dito sa Tainan. I've felt more of a teacher here despite the different challenges that I've met along the way. Sayang lang kasi kung kailan nararamdaman ko na nasa element na ako ng pagtuturo ko dito sa elementary school, I'll have to cut short this journey. But yeah, ang sasabihin ko sa inyo, hindi totoo na wala na kayong matututunan dito. You're going to grow vertically, horizontally, hindi nga lang up and the sidewards eh. You're going to grow in every inch, in every way that you could possibly grow into. Kung ano man yung plano mo sa buhay mo, lalo pa kung plano magturo dito, just go for it. Madami kang fears. Wing it. You're not just made to be in the place where you are right now. You're actually meant for a bigger sea than a pond. I just want to encourage you kasi maganda experience ko dito. And I guess that's it. Say paalam! Why are you sad? I'm gonna miss you too.